In the high-flying world of aviation, no rivalry cuts through the clouds, quite like Boeing versus Airbus. These two titans of the sky have been locked in a dogfight for dominance for decades, shaping the course of aviation history in the process. Boeing, the American aerospace behemoth, took flight in the year 1916. Founded by lumber industrialist William Boeing, it started off building seaplanes for the US Navy during World War I. The present-day Boeing company is the result of many mergers over the years. Most noticeably, the McDonnell-Douglas-Boeing merger in 1997 meant the end of their biggest domestic competitor. In the years, Boeing has become synonymous with pioneering jetliners, such as the 707, the 747 jumbo jet, and the revolutionary 787 Dreamliner. Across the Atlantic, Airbus, Europe's answer to Boeing, was born in 1970. Born out of a consortium of European manufacturers, Airbus was an audacious attempt to break the American stranglehold on the commercial aviation market. Eventually, Airbus was formed from French Aerospace, British Aerospace, German Deutsche Airbus, and Spanish CASA. The companies worked together to design and produce their first airliner, the A300. It made waves with its innovative twin-aisle wide-body aircraft, the A300, and later, the world's largest passenger airliner, the A380. Both Boeing and Airbus have weathered their share of turbulence. Boeing faced severe criticism following two fatal crashes of its newest aircraft, the 737 MAX, leading to the plane's worldwide grounding in 2019. Airbus, on the other hand, had to grapple with the commercial failure of the A380, which was discontinued in 2019 due to lack of demand. Innovation remains at the heart of this rivalry. Airbus's first plane, the A300, was to be a new, more efficient type of wide-body airliner. Its twin-engine design and lighter-weight airframe crushed competition like the trijet McDonnell Douglas DC-10's MD-11 and Lockheed L-1011. It pushed Boeing to develop the B-767 series, the first wide-body jumbo jet, which could carry more passengers and fly longer distances. But before that went into service, Airbus could dominate this corner of the airline industry. Boeing's 787 Dreamliner, with its carbon composite airframe and fuel-efficient engines, has set new standards in long-haul travel. Airbus, not to be outdone, introduced the A350 XWB, a direct competitor to the Dreamliner, boasting similar fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. Airbus also responded with the A380, the largest passenger airliner, aiming to redefine long-haul travel with its double-deck design. Looking ahead, both Boeing and Airbus are preparing for the future with a focus on sustainability. Boeing has committed to delivering commercial airplanes that are capable and certified to fly on 100% sustainable aviation fuels by 2030. Airbus, meanwhile, has unveiled plans for 3 hydrogen-powered, zero-emission concept aircraft, known as the Zero, which it hopes to put into service by 2035. As of now, the competition remains intense, with both companies adapting to new market realities, including the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on air travel demand. They continue to innovate, with Boeing working on the 777X and Airbus developing the A321XLR, among other projects. To sum up, the Boeing versus Airbus rivalry is a tale of two companies, born continents apart, but united by their relentless pursuit of innovation and dominance in the skies. From their inception, to their challenges, their groundbreaking innovations, and their preparations for a sustainable future. The rivalry between Boeing and Airbus has shaped the aviation industry for decades, driving technological advancements and influencing global air travel patterns. As both companies navigate current challenges and future opportunities, their competition will likely continue to be a defining feature of the aerospace landscape. Both Airbus and Boeing are redefining the boundaries of what's possible in aviation. This rivalry, far from winding down, is gearing up for its next thrilling chapter. Stay tuned. The sky's the limit.